to do a whole tandoori roast chicken with spicy lemon and coriander potatoes and a lovely cooling cucumber yogurt to go on the side. I'm going to be using our cook with M&S hot madras paste. That packs a real punch of chilli. It's full of those Indian spices like cumin, coriander, ginger and garlic. I'm doing a whole chicken, but this works perfectly with breasts or thighs. It's a lovely marinade. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is make a dead simple marinade with our cook with M&S hot madras paste and some Greek yogurt, but if you can't get Greek yogurt, plain yogurt will work absolutely fine. 250 grams of yogurt, a couple of spoonfuls of that M&S hot madras paste, juice of half a lemon, going in with a squeeze of honey, and we give that a nice stir together. That is the marinade done. I'm just preparing the chicken. I'm making 3 incisions across each breast, and I'll do 3 across the thighs and the legs. Get the chicken covered in that yogurt marinade and get it into the grooves. Pop it in the fridge for 2 hours and then that'll be ready for the oven. I'll slice some new potatoes in half and then we're just going to boil them for around 20 minutes till lovely and tender. Into the pan on a low heat with our hot madras curry paste, chuck in your coriander, a good squeeze of lemon, and then I'm just going to toss them together. Just throw yogurt in the bowl and then throw in some cucumber, a squeeze of honey, a little bit of salt, squeeze a lemon, and that is our cucumber yogurt. This is not just any chicken, this is my cook with M&S tandoori chicken with spicy new potatoes. You're gonna love this one. Give it a go with your family at home. That is how I cook with M&S at home. Recipe's on screen now. Get ready to screenshot it. Over to you.